A collection is used to represent a set of similar data type items in a single unit, which is used for grouping and managing the objects. It is useful in cases when the user wants to extract the data in the Excel spreadsheet and orchestrator queues. The different types of collections are arrays, strings, lists, and dictionaries. Arrays and strings have been discussed previously, and today's lecture will be more about lists and dictionaries. UiPath Studio offers the following methods for manipulating collections. Add to collection adds an item to a specified collection. For example, it can be used to add a new name to a list of company names. Remove from collection removes an item from a specified collection and can output a Boolean variable that confirms the success of the removal. For example, it can be used to remove an invoice number from a list of invoices to be processed. Exists in collection indicates whether a given item is present in a given collection by outputting a Boolean as the result. For example, it can be used to check whether a list of clients contains a specific name. Clear collection clears a specified collection of all items. For example, it can be used to empty a collection before starting a new phase of process that will populate it again. Lists are data structures consisting of objects of the same data type, for example, string or integer. Each object has a fixed position in the list. Thus, it can be accessed by index. While arrays are fixed-size structures for storing multiple objects, lists allow the user to add, insert, and remove items. Lists are one of the simplest and the most used collection data types. Lists can store large number of elements, including names, numbers, and time coordinates. Lists provide specific methods of manipulation, such as adding and removing items, searching for an element, looping through the items and performing certain actions on each, sorting the objects, and extracting items and converting them to other data types. A dictionary is a collection of words and their meanings or definitions. Dictionaries consist of key-value pairs, in which the keys are unique. Here, key is equivalent to words and the value is equivalent to the meanings or definitions. For example, address book in mobile phone, where each name has corresponding data, which is the phone number or email. The data types for both keys and values have to be chosen when the variable is instantiated. Data types in dictionaries can be any of the supported variables. The operations that are most often associated with dictionaries are adding and deleting key-value pairs, retrieving the value associated with a key, and reassigning new values to existing keys. There are several methods for working with the dictionaries, including initializing a dictionary, adding an item to an existing dictionary, removing an item from a dictionary, and retrieving dictionary items.